Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blonde roux. Begin by weighing equal parts fat and flour, then melt the fat gently in a wide pan. Add the flour and stir immediately to form a paste, keeping the heat moderate. Keep stirring for several minutes until the roux turns a pale tan and gives off a faint nutty aroma. Remove from heat if you plan to add hot liquid right away for smooth integration. In this video, I will explain how to make blonde roux. Pick a fat that matches your dish, like butter for richness or oil for higher heat tolerance. If you want more stability at temperature, use clarified butter to keep flavor without early burning. Measure the fat precisely to match the flour for predictable thickness, and warm the fat gently before adding flour to avoid lumps and ensure a silky roux. In this video, I will explain how to make blonde roux. Quick recommendation. For storing leftover sauces, I grab leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly, making cleanup and portioning effortless. They are perfect for chilling or transporting small batches, and they save time during meal prep. If you like this tip, subscribe and like the video and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make blonde roux. Keep the pan wide and the heat steady to promote even cooking and easy stirring. Use a whisk or spoon to blend the flour into the fat until you see a pale tan color and a faint nutty scent. When adding liquid, temper it gradually while whisking to prevent lumps and achieve a glossy, velvety sauce base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.